Did you know that there is a 3D dice already in PowerPoint? Simply head to the Insert tab, 3D Models, search for dice. And there are few to choose from. I have selected this one, Insert. And now in the 3D model menu you can very quickly do different rotations between different numbers. You can also rotate by hand. Take a look, it's a real 3D model. I already did that, as you can see here in the slide menu. So I got 6 different slides and I rotated the dice on each one. And in addition to that, I also apply a transition. So if you got a 3D object, you can apply morph transition, and this way you got this smooth rotation in 3D. Let me show you. When I click, of course, it's not a random roll. We got different values from 1 to 6, but we could use that dice in any other slideshow if we want to make a fake roll, or we could do something like this. Take a look, select all of them, duplicate, 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 and now with that we simply need to remix all of them. So I got more than 24, and we can now randomly mix them around, pull them up and down, remix everything. Alright, let's say it's mixed enough. Of course you could continue on mixing, that will give you even better result. Okay, and then when you use this slideshow with the dice, when you play it, now you don't know the order, and the thing is, click more than one time, so you will skip few slides, so you will not memorize the order. 1, 5, 1, 2. Alright, so this way we could kind of use this slideshow for different dice rolls. It's a pseudo random. We could turn it into the actual random thing, but this will be not 3-minute long tutorial. It will be 30 minutes long tutorial. So this is a happy medium. We just create multiple slides, randomize them a bit, and then we can use that. And the good part is we can actually take those and add to our regular presentation where we need some kind of dice rolls. Alright, I hope this will be helpful. I will also share the template to this file, so you can just download for free and use it straight away. See you in the next one.